Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to be trying out this hydrating lip balm from the brand Endota Organics. My lips need some serious hydration so badly right now, and I think that this product is going to be exactly what my lips need. So this has calendula, vitamin E, peppermint oil. I love that it's this organic company. I'm actually not familiar with this brand, but I got this product in my April 2022 Boxycharm premium box. And this retails for $25, which for a lip balm, I find that to be very high end. So I'm excited that I get to try it out through Boxycharm as a great deal. And by the way, if you haven't seen that unboxing video, that is up here on my YouTube channel now. But so this is Australian made, gluten-free, not tested on animals. And so it's the squeezy tube type of packaging. Oh my gosh, my hair is huge today. I mean, I kind of like it, but I'm like, I don't remember having this much hair. But so, I definitely get that mint smell from the peppermint oil, and I do love like a mintiness to my lip products to have that cooling feeling. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze it onto my dry chapped lips. It's actually not coming out. It's like a very solid balm. This is like truly the most difficult squeezy tube lip balm ever. It's like very solid. It's even coming out as like holding its form. But let's see how it is now on my lips. It's completely clear. I don't love how solid it is because this should be like the easiest product to apply, but it's actually a little tricky because it's kind of like chunky at first, but then it melts down kind of to like a Vaseline petroleum jelly type of texture now on the lips with some pretty shine. And it is completely moisturizing and hydrating, and I'm so glad to see it. It's not just the type of lip balm that coats the lips, sits on top of the dry texture of my lips. It actually is deeply moisturizing. It's gotten rid of all the dry areas. My lips look smoothed out, and with that shine as well, they look so enhanced. And this is really what I look for in my lip products. I will say I've gotten this exact same effect from products that are way less expensive, but at least for $25, this is doing everything I would want my hydrating lip balm to do. It also says you can use it for any other chapped areas. Like I have some peeling cuticles here. It says it's good for that. I'll try out a little bit, but for $25, I kind of want to use this a little bit sparingly, save it more so for my lips. But let's just see, like my cuticle here, it was peeling so bad it's actually bleeding a little bit because I definitely have a bad habit at picking at my hanging cuticles. But this really is immediately moisturizing, hydrating to any area. So I am very happy to see that. So all in all, a very nice hydrating lip balm. So if you've tried any other products from this brand, Endota Organics, let me know about that in the comments down below, because when I have such a great experience with a product that's from a brand that I haven't tried before, it definitely makes me want to try out even more products. So I would love to get some recommendations. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.